Welcome to the astrology book today. We'll reveal how to attract the adventurous and free-spirited Sagittarius. Known for their love of freedom, laughter, and passion, Sagittarians crave excitement in love. Want to know the secrets to win a Sagittarius heart? Let's begin. How to attract Sagittarius. You won't have trouble striking up a conversation. Sagittarius are interested in almost anything. When they've talked themselves out on their favorite subjects, they'll decide you're a fascinating conversationalist. Ask about their work, their friends, books they have read, and their reactions to a current news event. If you happen to like animals or outdoor sports, you are already halfway home with a Sagittarian. There is a fine line between taking an interest in their interests and prying. Don't overstep that boundary. Sagittarius are very wary of anyone who might be trying to corner them. If talking about generalities gives you the feeling that you're sliding rapidly over ice, don't worry. Matters will improve on better acquaintance. You may discover, in fact, that your problem is trying to ignore the direct, sometimes overly frank inquiries that Sagittarians will make. When they get to know you, they like you to share confidences with them or ask for their advice. Sagittarians like outdoor dates, dancing under the stars, open-air concerts, picnics at the beach, skiing, or sailing outings. They usually avoid large parties or too close quarters because they cannot bear to be hedged in or confined. Never infringe on their freedom. Never let your emotional needs intrude on their private lives. And you'd be wise not to put too much stock in their promises. Their words are writ on water. Enjoy being with Sagittarius, but don't think you've signed a lifelong contract, because Sagittarius doesn't think so. And don't look back with regret when it's over. Sagittarius won't. And that's how you can capture the heart of a Sagittarius. Which zodiac sign should we cover next? Share in the comments, and stay tuned for more cosmic secrets with the astrology book.